And
go.
Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Esposito, 6th grade science, Ralph Chandler Middle School, and
Mr. Goff, 6th grade math, Ralph Chandler
Middle School. Moms and dads, you know what? We've got a couple of girls over here today, so I'm a little distracted. A couple of our
We got some students here.
And they've got all kind of dancing going on, and they're also making in front of Mr. Esposito or Mr. Goff.
Yeah, they're right here.
We don't know what they're saying, but it looks like
camera.
this. On the other side of the camera, it looks like two students go like this.
Yeah, they're selling secrets.
Okay, that's what it looks like. But anyway, moms and dads, what did Mr. Esposito do in class today? A lot of action going on today. What did we do? We did a review on angiosperms, gymnosperms, monocots, dicots, vascular plants, non-vascular plants. It was a review. It was a class grade. I just wanted to see. I wanted to do a simple assessment.
That's a good
see
thing.
where the students are, how much information they retained, so on and so forth. What did we do yesterday? We did a comparison and contrast of photosynthesis and respiration. If you look in their ISNs on the left-hand side, it's going to look a little something like this, okay? It's going to say photosynthesis, respiration. They have to do a compare and contrast. What do they have in common? What makes them different? They look the same, they sound the same, however, they're a lot different. One of them, being photosynthesis, actually releases oxygen into the environment. What does respiration release? It releases carbon dioxide. It releases it through, what do they call that? The stomata. The guard cell opens. The stomata. Yep, the guard cell opens, and carbon dioxide and water come out of the stomata along with water. Water escapes, and guess what they call that? Transpiration. Big word, a lot of big words. When they come back, we're going to go over tropism, plant tropisms, which are responses to stimuli. Okay, and this student right here, she's looking at me. She's on the ball. I asked her a couple of questions. She knew everything about it, and that's from last year.
Some creator here.
On the ball, real smart kid, super kid. She's always here. 2 thumbs up, Mr. Esposito. Take it away, Mr. Goff.
Oh, thanks a lot.
There you
Okay,
go.
now if you guys are still watching after all that, in math class today, we had a quiz on adding and subtracting fractions with like and unlike denominators. Okay, so I'm going to be grading that over the Thanksgiving holiday. Math 7, we continue talking about multiplying fractions and mixed numbers, because that was something we needed 2 days on. So fractions and mixed numbers. So we're done with that. Now when we come back from Thanksgiving, we're going to continue in Chapter 5 on both Math 6 and Math 7. And we're going to be doing foldables, okay? So you guys need to make sure at home there are students with some students brought home their tests, Math 6 students and Math 7 students, to do corrections on. I'm accepting those until Wednesday of next week, okay? So get those in. I'll show you. Some kids already have done their corrections. They have their tests. They do their corrections on a separate sheet of paper. They show me everything that they did. You know what? And this is going to improve their grade if they did it right.
A lot of action going on.
So yeah, that's a lot of action, a lot of good stuff. We're trying to keep them going and learning and all that good stuff. Right?
And moms and dads, guess what? I think fractions. Did you guys learn about this last year? Fractions. Who developed the use of fractions? Was it the Egyptians when they were building the pyramids? So I believe they developed. I believe, or they improved on it. You know, they improved. Like I was reading last night, my son's social studies. It's the same books. And you know what? Embalming. I'm going in further, but embalming. When they started embalming the bodies, guess what that led to? That led to medicine. That led to specializations inside of medicine. A lot of action, a lot of excitement going on here.
You better watch Mr. Esposito. Talking about fractions.
6th grade
I'm the math
science.
teacher.
Ralph Chandler Middle School. Who's better than us?
Dave Goff, Math 6, Ralph Chandler
Middle School.